What if I told you that time can slow down or speed up depending on how fast you're moving? A mind-bending proposition, isn't it? Yet this concept, one that seems to defy logic, was the brainchild of a man who has since become synonymous with genius, Albert Einstein. Born in Ulm, Germany, in the late 19th century, Einstein was not your typical child prodigy. He was slow to talk, and his rebellious nature often clashed with the rigid discipline of the German education system. But young Albert had a burning curiosity, a trait that would serve him well in the years to come. His love for mathematics and physics was kindled early. At the tender age of 12, Einstein stumbled upon a book of geometry, affectionately referred to as his holy little geometry book. This sparked a lifelong passion for theoretical physics, a field that would forever be changed by his contributions. Yet, life wasn't easy for Einstein. Despite his evident brilliance, he struggled to find his footing in the conventional education system. He dropped out of high school and failed his first entrance exam to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic. But Einstein was not one to be easily deterred. He persevered and was eventually admitted to the Polytechnic, where he began his formal education in physics. After graduation, Einstein found himself working as a patent examiner in Bern, Switzerland. Far from the grandeur of academia, this humble clerkship might seem an unlikely launching pad for a scientific revolution. But it was here, amidst the patents and paperwork, that Einstein began to question the fundamental laws of physics. His doubts centered around the concept of absolute time, a cornerstone of Newtonian physics. This daring skepticism led him down a path that would forever change our understanding of the universe. Einstein, an unassuming patent clerk at the time, was about to turn the world of physics on its head. Einstein's miracle year, 1905, saw him publish 4 groundbreaking papers, but it was his theory of special relativity that truly shook the scientific world. In this whirlwind year, Einstein penned his thoughts on the photoelectric effect, suggesting that light was composed of individual packets of energy called quanta. This insight, which later earned him a Nobel Prize, paved the way for the development of quantum mechanics, another pillar of modern physics. But Einstein didn't stop there. He also examined the seemingly random motion of particles suspended in a liquid or gas, a phenomenon known as Brownian motion. His analysis provided empirical evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules, a fact that was still contested during his time. Yet it was his work on special relativity that was truly revolutionary. Einstein, pondering on the inconsistencies between Newtonian mechanics and Maxwell's equations of electromagnetism, proposed a radical idea. He suggested that the laws of physics should look the same to all observers, regardless of their state of motion, and that the speed of light should always remain constant. This novel perspective allowed him to derive the most famous equation in physics, E equals mc squared. This equation tells us that energy, represented by E, is equal to mass, represented by m, times the speed of light, represented by CEN, squared. In other words, mass and energy are two sides of the same coin. This concept was a complete departure from the classical view, which treated mass and energy as distinct entities. The implications of this equation were enormous. It suggested that a small amount of mass could be converted into a large amount of energy, and conversely, a large amount of energy could be converted into a small amount of mass. This concept underpins the workings of nuclear power and nuclear weapons, and it has been confirmed by countless experiments. Einstein's theory revealed that energy and mass were interchangeable, a concept that would have far-reaching consequences. Before we venture further into the cosmos with Einstein, we need your help to keep this scientific journey going. If you've been fascinated by Einstein's revolutionary ideas so far, make sure to hit that like button below. Your support helps us continue to bring these incredible stories to life. Are you curious about the implications of Einstein's theories or the experiments that proved them? Do you have thoughts on how Einstein's ideas continue to shape our understanding of the universe? We want to know. Leave your thoughts, questions, or insights in the comments section below. Our community thrives on the exchange of ideas, and your perspective is a crucial part of that conversation. And most importantly, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about our future videos. From the quantum to the cosmic, from the birth of relativity to the mysteries of black holes, we've got a universe of topics to explore together. Remember, every like, subscribe, and comment propels us further into our exploration of the universe. As we delve deeper into Einstein's world in the next scene, we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. So, fasten your seatbelts as we prepare to dive into the general theory of relativity. It's going to be an exciting journey. Now back to Einstein. In 1915, a decade after his Annus Mirabilis, Einstein was ready to shake the foundations of science once again with his general theory of relativity. Stay tuned. Einstein wasn't done yet. 10 years later, he presented his general theory of relativity, a theory that proposed a radical idea about the nature of gravity. The general theory of relativity, unlike the special theory, doesn't restrict itself to the uniform motion. It's like the special theory's big brother, encompassing a broader range of phenomena. It's all about gravity, but not the apple falling from the tree kind of gravity that Newton described. No, Einstein's gravity was something entirely different. Newton's gravity was an invisible force, pulling objects toward each other. It explained why the Earth orbits the Sun and why we don't float off into space. But Einstein looked at gravity and saw something else. He saw the curvature of space and time. Imagine space-time as a trampoline. If you place a bowling ball in the middle, it creates a dip, a curvature. Now, if you were to roll a marble near that bowling ball, it wouldn't go straight, it would curve toward the bowling ball. That's Einstein's gravity. It's not a force pulling the marble, it's the curvature of the trampoline guiding the marble towards the bowling ball. This idea changed everything. It suggested that the universe is not flat, but curved by the mass and energy within it. This was a radical shift in our understanding of the universe, and it opened up possibilities we never imagined. Einstein's theory predicted that the paths of light rays would be bent by gravity. During a solar eclipse in 1919, this prediction was confirmed, providing the first major proof of the general theory of relativity. But the theory didn't stop there. It also predicted the existence of black holes, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. And it predicted the expansion of the universe, an idea that was confirmed decades later with the discovery of the cosmic microwave background radiation. Einstein's theory predicted the existence of black holes and the expansion of the universe, concepts that were confirmed decades later. Einstein's general theory of relativity, with its revolutionary understanding of gravity, has truly changed our view of the universe and how we fit within it. Einstein's theories were not just intellectual exercises, they have very real implications for the world we live in today. Indeed, the ripples of Einstein's discoveries continue to shape our lives in ways that are both subtle and profound. Let's start with something many of us use every day: the Global Positioning System, or GPS. This technology relies heavily on Einstein's theory of relativity to provide accurate location data. You see, the clocks on satellites in space tick slightly faster than those on Earth due to the weaker gravitational pull, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Without compensating for this difference, your GPS would send you off course by about 6 miles each day. It's Einstein's theory that keeps us on the right path. Then there's the realm of energy, specifically nuclear power. The equation E = mc², probably the most famous equation in the world, explains the concept of mass-energy equivalence. Simply put, a small amount of mass can be converted into a large amount of energy, and it's this principle that powers nuclear reactors and atomic bombs. Einstein's discovery led to a new era of energy production and changed the face of warfare forever. Einstein's theories also revolutionized our understanding of the universe. They predicted the existence of black holes, those mysterious cosmic entities that warp space and time. His theories also laid the foundation for the Big Bang theory, giving us insights into the birth of the universe. From understanding the cosmos to peering into the heart of atoms, Einstein's theories have been instrumental in shaping modern physics. The realm of technology, the power of energy, and the understanding of the universe all bear the indelible mark of Einstein's genius. His theories have become the bedrock of modern scientific thought, shaping the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. Without Einstein's theories, our world would look very different indeed. So the next time you use your GPS, remember to tip your hat to Einstein, for his groundbreaking work continues to navigate us through life, literally and figuratively. Einstein's influence extends beyond the realm of science. He has left an indelible mark on our culture and our consciousness. These words ring true when we see how Einstein's ideas and persona have seeped into every corner of our society. Every time you check your GPS, watch a sci-fi movie, or even when you hear the phrase E equals mc squared, you're experiencing the impact of Einstein's genius. His famous equation has become a symbol of scientific achievement, a shorthand for intellectual brilliance. But Einstein's influence isn't limited to his scientific contributions. He was a man of many facets, and his persona became a cultural icon. His wild, unkempt hair, his thoughtful gaze, his violin playing, all these became symbols of the eccentric and lovable genius. This image of Einstein has often been used to humanize the abstract world of theoretical physics, making it more accessible and relatable to the public. Beyond his scientific and cultural influence, Einstein was also a champion for peace and civil rights. He was an outspoken critic of war and violence, using his fame and influence to advocate for disarmament and international cooperation. He was also a strong supporter of civil rights, speaking out against racism and discrimination. His advocacy for these causes, his commitment to social justice, these too form a significant part of Einstein's legacy. Einstein once said, "Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding." This statement embodies his belief in the power of knowledge and understanding, not just in science, but in our interactions with each other. His legacy is not just about the theories and equations he left behind, but also about the values he championed. So, when we think of Einstein, we should remember not just the brilliant physicist, but also the cultural icon, the advocate for peace and equality, the man who believed in the power of understanding. Einstein's legacy lives on, not just in his scientific discoveries, but in his enduring impact on our world.